Hi boys and girls! For today, I'm going to teach you how to make a really fun and exciting outdoor spring picture. What you will need is a piece of paper, a pencil, probably an eraser. I might use marker so you can see. I haven't decided yet. You will need something to color with later on, colored pencils, markers, crayons, anything you have. And we are going to be using a ruler. I'm going to show you how to make a fun landscape using lots of straight lines. If you don't have a ruler, you can use any kind of straight edge you have at home. But please ask your parents, grandparents, or guardians if they can help you find a ruler for this project. Okay, so to begin, I'll start with pencil and see if it works. We're going to make a straight horizon line about the middle of the page, maybe a little bit higher, right about there. You're just going to draw a straight line going across. And can you see? Yes, you can see that. I was just checking. Great. And this is our horizon line. It's where the land ends and then where the sky begins. Next, we want to show a rising sun. So you're going to make a curved half circle. If you're not good at drawing half circles, you could trace something, like I have a candle here, and I can go and I can trace. You can trace like a can of soup, anything you have, but you want to make a half circle. I'm going to go freehand to show you how I do it. So I go very lightly, and then when I like what I do, I darken it. And that's how I like to draw. There we go. That's my rising sun coming up. Next, we're just going to put a little dot right in the middle. And we're going to use this dot to draw some diagonal and straight lines. So from the dot to the bottom of the page, we're going to make a straight line. Like that. And I'm going to go on with marker so you can see, because it's a little hard to see. So to begin, you want to make a straight line from this line to the bottom of the page. Then I'm going to evenly space out lines with my ruler. So watch me do this. There's one, then I'll make another one right next to it. Now I'll try two on the right side. And if you need help doing this, you can ask a parent or a sibling to help hold the paper, help hold the ruler. I love making art with a ruler, so you should get used to it. It's a fun tool if you need to make straight lines. Next, I'm going to keep adding more. Put this aside. One there. And I'll probably try to fit about maybe 3 more on the left side. Maybe just 2 more. Let's see what happens. Like that. Okay. Now we have to do the same thing on the right side. So I have to make about 3 more lines. So I'm going to make a straight line with the ruler here. And then I'll make another one about there. And then I'll make another one about there. And look at that. So this is going to be the land. Next, we're going to work on the sky a little bit. I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to draw a barn right here. So I'm going to zoom in so you can see. And I don't have a ton of room. I'm going to start by making a simple shape, a square-like shape. Like that. And then I'm going to make a triangle rooftop. I'm going to make a rectangle door. I'm going to put an X on the door. That's how we'll know it's a barn. And then I'm going to draw the silo, which is going to be like a tall rectangle shape, and then a half circle or curved line on top. Maybe I'll even have a little window right there where the chickens hang out. I'll add just some line detail to my barn. Maybe some lines on the roof. There we go. That's my barn. Okay, let's zoom back out. Then, with your ruler or without, I'm gonna make a line. I'm gonna darken this line with my marker, the horizon line, that very first line we made. And again, this is the line that shows where the land ends and then the sky begins. Next, I'm gonna trace over or outline my rising sun, like that. Okay, now I'm gonna add some fun clouds in the sky, and you can do any clouds you want. You don't have to do the clouds I'm doing. This is how I'm gonna make a cloud though. I'm gonna make a straight line, and then I'll make a curved line, a bigger curved line, a few smaller ones like that. And you could put clouds anywhere you want. I might put a cloud behind this cloud. Watch, I'll make a straight line. Like that. I'm gonna make another cloud here. Remember, make your clouds all different shapes and sizes. They don't have to be the same. I'll have a small cloud down here in the distance. Maybe I'll put one going off the page on the right here. Then I'm gonna put one going off the page, off the top of the page. Look at that. I need to have some smaller ones, so I'll make a little one right here. You want to have large, medium, and small. You want to show different sizes. Maybe I'll have one going off the left side of the page, like that. Maybe another small one right here, like that. Okay, so you get to put as many clouds in the sky as you want. And remember, they could be touching each other like this. One could be in front of the other one could be behind another one. Maybe I'll do one last small one and then I'm done. Have fun with it. Again, you don't have to make the clouds that I'm making. You get to do any kind of clouds you want. Now, just like we did here with our ruler, we're gonna make diagonal lines or rays to look like rays of sunshine in the sky. So watch what I'm going to do. I'm gonna start by making a line up and down. Do not draw the line through the rising sun. You're gonna put the line behind the sun like that. Do you see that? Now I'm gonna continue making diagonal lines on the left and the right. So I'm gonna start at this point right here, and I'm gonna do this. And I'm not gonna go through my clouds. I'm gonna go behind them like that. And again, I'm starting at the same point. Two. This is going to be line 3. And then this is going to be line 4 over here. Now if I did 1, 2, 3, 4 lines on this side, I'm going to make 4 diagonal lines on the right side. And there you have it, a wild spring, summer looking farm landscape. Now it's time for color. Color's so important. use any colors you want. You could do like a rainbow sky. You could do like red, orange, and yellow to represent the rays of the sun. This should probably be green for grass. These could be different rows or fields on the farm. I'm probably going to make my barn red. My sun is going to be fiery orange. You can also make a blue sky if you want. That's up to you. So you're going to watch me on high speed color, and I will see you back here in a bit. And here we are. Look at that. So what I did is I made a fiery sky using a lot of red, orange, and yellow, and a little pink on top. And then for the ground, I used dark green, some medium green, some light green, so it fades from dark to light. I really hope you color yours in. It'll look more fun and magical. And I really hope you were able to find a ruler because it's so important to have the straight lines. It makes it look really whoosh, imaginative and fun, like you're looking out way into the distance. Okay, I think you could see it better like that. Okay. If you know how, take a picture, upload it to Google Classroom and show me your work. I'd love to see it. If not, you can just do your art for fun and you don't have to show me. And I will see you back here next week. Bye.